Technically challenged? Great. I'll show you how to run a profitable online business using your phone and a connected Wi-Fi. Calling all technically challenged women warriors and grandmas out there, your lack of tech skills isn't your roadblock. It's your ticket to success. Why? Because I'm about to reveal how to run a thriving online business blueprint using nothing but your phone and Wi-Fi. No coding, no confusing platforms, just simple step-by-step guide anyone can follow. Right now, women just like you are turning their phone into profit time. The only difference between them and you, they took action and started already. So don't let excuses hold you back. Your tech-free success story starts right now. Today is the day that you join them. So comment blueprint below and you can learn more about this.